Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave and Debbie, D&D Adventures. So weeks ago we talked about having a big changes with the channel. Since then we had 2 hurricanes and an estate sale, so it's been crazy and it's really delayed this intro to what we did. We had the 98 Winnebago, and because of the age, no reputable shop or RV dealer would work on it because of the age, and we couldn't get our RV guy. He was slammed all summer, and so we just couldn't get any work done on it, and little upgrades that we wanted to do prior to traveling. So that created a big problem and some worries that if we're on the road and some issues came up with the RV, that we were going to be stranded. So we did something new. We bought a 2014 Coachman Encounter, 37-foot gas, but it's really, really nice RV, and we're gonna take you through a little tour here to show it to you, and then we'll talk about some other stuff after the video. Stand by. Okay, so you stood by. So yeah, the front here, it's got the TV, fireplace. This is all slide out right here. It's got a desk, pretty nice. All up front, nice cabinets, pretty standard in an RV. Brand new seats, which these are really, really nice. The dash in perfect condition. There's my seat, captain's chair. Those are manual slides, but the main slide up front, it's got both a darkening shade and just the screen, and that's automatic. And then this is, I don't think this was the original furniture that was in this, but it does fold out to a full size, at least maybe almost a queen size bed, and then storage. And then it's got French doors. There's our RV model, Debbie. I'm going to take you into the entry here. Pretty standard. It does have a central vac system, Dirt Devil. So all we got to do is get a hose for that. Storage. It's got an automatic awning, which is nice. So there's a button right here for the outside awning. Coming around to the kitchen. We got a nice stainless residential fridge, convection microwave, cooktop, storage, no oven because we have the convection. Nice backsplash, better than the one we did on the Winnebago. And then Coachman countertops. Little freestanding dinette. The chairs were a little beat up, so we're going to get a couple new chairs for that. Or we're thinking about putting some type of cabinet here with shelves for extra storage for like dry goods, canned goods, whatnot. little bit more storage here with a DVD player in there and a TV, of course, as you can see. Here's the control panel for everything, all 3 slides. It is a 3-slide, 37-foot gas. It's got the Ford Triton V10. Commode, shower, and then more storage. And we do have a door that will go into the bedroom from the bathroom, which is nice. That way, if the slides are in and we're traveling, you could still access the bathroom and the bedroom with the slides in. And going into the bedroom, we got a lot of under bed storage on a king size bed. Very nice. Brand new mattress. Nightstands on both sides. Like that. Mirror. Hey. And then another TV, big closets for both of us, all sorts of storage down here. So we got 4 there, 2 there in the middle, and again, big closet, which is pretty nice. What are you doing? He's trying to close me in. Thank you if you watched the video all the way through. We do appreciate that. Please, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Please like the video. Help us out. We're trying to grow. The plan is still to go to Alaska next summer. And a week from today, we will be in Cancun, Mexico for an 80s, all week it's an 80s Gen X party. All kinds of artists there from the 80s, MTV personalities, some other movie stars that are supposed to be there. No one big, I don't think, but Revenge of the Nerds. You got The Fix, Level 42. You got Lou Graham from Foreigner. Rick Springfield. Young MCs, all kinds of people. And it's going to be an all-inclusive. We got a suite, oceanfront. We have a butler. All you can eat, all you can drink. We got a cabana rental. We got a beach overhang cabana on the beach one day as well. Our plans are we're going to do a video every single day and what we do in that day. So starting next Sunday, and we're trying to get that uploaded as quick as we can and get it on the channel. My goal is to track down some of the talent and get some interviews. There's The Fix is The Fix is like my favorite 80s, or one of my favorite 80s groups. So I've been kind of messaging them. I don't know if that went in one ear and one out the other, but we'll see. But I'd really love to bring some great content each day, and there's themes every day, so something will be different. So please stay tuned. Please subscribe and like this video. And again, thank you very much for your patience. If you've been waiting for this big surprise, it was big for us. It was a giant step because we were going to see. For a few years, we were going to do the Winnebago, and I think it's good that we found out now that no one's going to mess with it. So we were going to be stranded up in North Alaska or something, and that would have been terrible. So again, this is a beautiful coach. It's got low mileage. I think it's 20,000 miles. It's crazy. And it's a beautiful coach, and this is going to be it for a while. So again, thank you very much, and we'll see you soon.